How to get refund without returning on Temu. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch a Temu application in your device or just visit Temu website. Either way, make sure that you are logged in into your account using your Temu account credential. Tap on your user icon and head over to customer support. Scroll down until you see Contact Us button. Now in here you can communicate with the customer service, in which you can type in that you want a refund. After which, if you have purchased any of the product of the account, it will be displayed right over here. Now, without a return, it is difficult to get a refund. For that, you must give them a reason that is valid and considerable. For an example, you can say that the product that you have received is defected. In this way, you will have to submit some of the proof of it as well. That is how you can get a refund without returning on Temu. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.